Hey, what up? My name is Tom Richardson and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please do like, subscribe and hit that notification button. So this time last year we built this, our outdoor building or log cabin or glorified shed as some knobhead called it on the internet. And if you want to see those videos, go check out my channel after you've watched this one. So we got this built, fully completed, flooring down, decking down, it's done inside, it is insulated, plasterboarded, there's electrics in there, you name it, it has got it. The only thing that I didn't get to sort out whilst building it was the drainage. So let me show you. Yeah, I've got my drain pipe on, runs all the way along the back, down there, comes out of the drain pipe. The water then is just saturating this grass. It never really dries out because we've had an endless amount of rain this year. I don't want it to keep going underneath the log cabin just in case it might cause any problems later on down the line. First thing I need to do is get that hardcore up, get it in my barrow, then I need to sort out the ground underneath, get that back down, tamper it down, get it all level, ready to put a base down for the water butt to sit on. That hardcore is left over from when we did some garden projects recently. We did a pergola and we also put some artificial grass down, so check those videos out on my channel if you haven't seen them already. So for the base, what I'm thinking, I've got two options and I think I know which one I'm going to go with, but the first one was inside of here. It's just full of old bricks. I don't know if you can see that. Bricks, breeze blocks, I've saved rubble. There's a little bit of marble there from an old barbecue we used to have. You name it, I save it just in case, because there's always a just in case moment, just like today. But I don't think I'm going to use that because it's going to be too much effort, hard work to get all those bricks laid out, get them all level and everything for that to sit on. What I have got is this, an old, Jesus, and it weighs a bloody ton as well. There you go. Massive old concrete slab. That is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to get it in here. Hopefully it's going to fit perfect. I don't want to cut it. I just want that big single piece, no messing about, sort the ground out, get it down, get it laid, get it done, get it finished before it starts to rain. So I'm just going to flatten that down, then I'll get it level with the hardcore. Then we can start to get a slab down. So I've had to retreat to the shed because it is absolutely persisting it down out there. Look at the weather on that, absolutely shocking. It's raining cats and the dogs. I've even had to put my rain jacket on. How beautiful do I look in this? So I'm going to do my mix inside my shed, inside my gorilla bucket that's inside a wheelbarrow. Get it down, lad, get it down. Putting loads down because I mix loads. In fact, I'm not going to use that one. So there we go, got my muck down, got my missive slab. Let's just go for it. Oh, wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. Oh, that easy though, I thought. Just got to try and get it level. I'll show you Gary Neville's. And there. That way. That way. That way. Yay! So there we go. The slab for the water butt is down. Yeah, so I'm just going to tidy them edges up and then we'll take it from there. So there we go. Look at that. B-E-A, beautiful. So the slab is down, set, ready to go. The next thing I'm going to do is get my big juicer. My big juicer fat butt. Get that on the slab. Get it set up. You got a lid, there you go. Got a little safety lock on it, as you can see, to stop any children are out wanting to dive into there, because if they dive into there they're probably going to drown because they're not going to be able to get back out. You also get a cutout if you want to put your drain pipe in. That's what we're going to be doing, so I'll have to chop that out somehow, probably with a knife. So that's your lid. You get hoses and attachments, so you can attach your current drain pipe, your down pipe, take a little section out, slot that up into it, so then the water will come down, collect into there, that little area inside there, as you can see. Then it'll come out of that hole. You're going to get some that's just going to continue through. You then put that pipe on like that. That pipe then goes in to the side of your water butt, but we're not using that, so we're going directly in through the lid. The next thing you get is the base. All they do, they just interlock together. That's your base, that's your butt, that's your lid. Let's get it on. There is the butt in situ. Next thing to do is get the drain pipe flowing into there. Let's have a dabble at this. So that's the current pipe. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it apart, see what I've got. That's the bit that was coming from the bottom and across just there, and then I'll see what angles I can get using what I've got. So I just need a little bit of a short pipe to come across there and drop down into it. So I should have more than enough drain pipe from what I've already got. Probably just be able to utilise this bit, that elbow, and that little short bit that's already there, and then that bit should be enough, I'm hoping, to go straight into the top of the water butt. I think we can make that work. So that's what it looks like at the minute. There's a lot of bend and flex on that fitting, which I am not happy with at all, but we can sort that later on in the process. That should be fine, good to go. Might just have to shorten that pipe a little bit depending on where the hole's going to lie when we get it on and in situ. So all I've got to do now is cut that out for the drain pipe to go through, and then we'll see what it's like once that's in. So let's do that next. So obviously this is the diameter of my drain pipe. They're the two sections, or the two rings that it's giving you if you want to cut those out. I only need to cut the first one out. That should be more than enough for that pipe to sit through. Kind of see the rings on that side, so the plastic's not going to be too thick. So I'll get a knife, probably get my Stanley knife, and just try and cut that ring out. It's out. It won't be the prettiest thing in the world, but it's out. I'll lube it up and spit on it. There we go. So there we go. I've got it done. I've got it in. That is the pipe in situ. It's not hanging down. It's pretty solid, that, to be fair. So what I'll do, once the concrete's gone off, I've got some Flow-Plast glue for plastic pipe fittings. I'll glue all them together so it's not going to go anywhere at all, and then I'll just have to keep an eye on it, make sure that it's not sagging out. If it is, I'll just put some support on. But that is it. The water butt is finished. Nice little morning's job, absolutely amazing. Just glad it stopped raining. So yeah, nice little project. It's going to get all the water from coming off of there, soaking and saturating this ground. So yeah, everything's good to go. Another little job done. So there you go, the water butt is in. We can harvest all the water off the roof of our log cabin and water the plants in the garden. So another successful job finished and completed. If you haven't already, please do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for when I do stick out another video. So join me next time on my channel. I'll see you later. Ta-da, bye bye.